Upgrading to FTTP is free. Yes, free.
Don't ride in the slow lane with your old internet. Shift gears with an upgrade to FTTP and get your data flowing faster down the information superhighway. And do it for free.
When we say free, we mean free. Upgrading to FTTP won't cost you a cent. Just pick an eligible plan, new or old,
And we'll handle heavy lifting.
Once your connection is all hooked up to ultra-fast internet, everyone can internet smoothly across multiple devices all at the same time. You can get streaming and memeing when you're double screening, binging and browsing. It's the perfect combo. With FTTP, you can say bye-bye to buffering and hello to lightning speeds, reliable connections, and the joy of uninterrupted data to use how you see fit. So, why would you stick with the same old and chug along on a connection built by the ancients when you can easily switch to something better and brand new at zero upgrade cost? Ultra-fast internet with an easy upgrade for free? Come on now, that's a no-brainer.